Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the bot and grabbing its token. Keep it secret. Next, add the bot to your server with manage messages and read /send scope so it can delete content. Once added, set channel permissions so the bot can view and moderate where links appear. Now open your code editor or bot host. Install a library like Discord, JS, or Discord. Pi. This gives you pre-built functions to watch messages and delete them. Do this first, then move to message handling logic. You implement a message listener that triggers on each new message. Make sure to return early for bot accounts and permitted roles. Then apply a robust regex, capture https://www, Discord, GG, and common TLDs to detect links. Once matched, verify channel and role allow list to prevent accidental removals. If the check passes, call the Delete API and optionally DM the user a brief warning. This reduces false positives while enforcing your rule and keeps logs for moderation review. You finalize by adding structured logs: user ID, content snippet, message ID, channel, and timestamp. Store them in a file or DB for audits. Next, handle API errors and rate limits with retries using exponential backoff so you don't get blocked. Provide moderators an override command to exempt a message or user when necessary. If something goes wrong, check logs, inspect rate limit headers, and confirm bot permissions. Troubleshoot by running the bot in verbose mode to see where deletion calls fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.